Yet another celebrity has jumped on the bandwagon and came out with their own tequila. Guess who? Knock knock, who's there?
Someone that's very funny is there.
Kevin Hart! So Kevin Hart came out with a tequila and of course we have to try it. Hello? Today we're going to be tasting Kevin Hart's Gran Coramino Cristalino.
And the bottle is a very beautiful. It looks like an award.
It does.
Some sort. Thank you, Mom. I love you. Shout out to my mom.
What is a Cristalino?
You guys all know that there are Blanco tequilas, Reposado tequilas, Añejo tequilas, and even extra Añejo tequilas. For those of you who don't know, there are Cristalino tequilas.
A Cristalino tequila is an aged tequila that's been charcoal filtered.
I feel like a lot of people don't know that. It changes the color, makes it clear, and it makes it smoother.
My question is, if you do a tequila right the first time, do you need to filter it?
That's a really good question.
Did I just shit on Kevin Hart? I'm sorry, Kevin Hart, I love you. One thing about this tequila that I really liked is that he brought a tequila expert on with him. So his co-founder is actually an 11th generation tequila maker.
I feel like that kind of answers your doubt. Why would you have to filter it?
Right, I guess to make it better.
Yeah, only to make it better. $1 from every bottle sold will be donated to programs focused on empowering aspiring entrepreneurs from Mexico and the US. We're entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
We love that.
You want to donate to us?
Yeah, we would like some donations.
We paid $69.99 for this one. If you want to try a Cristalino, this is a great price point to start at, considering they go from $40 to like $100. Somebody online, I heard he paid like $100. So maybe go directly to their website and get it.
Should we talk about the elephant in the room?
What's the elephant in the room?
The fact that The Rock is Kevin Hart's best friend
And now they both have a tequila.
competition.
What's that about?
I like it.
I mean, in Kevin Hart's defense, The Rock does not have a Cristalino, so maybe that's why he went this route. He saw the big bucks and he was like, me too.
I'm jumping on the wagon, but I don't want to compete directly to you, so I'm gonna pull out a Cristalino.
I think that's literally how the meeting went down.
Low-key, like The Rock is like a partner, like silent partner. Just kidding, I have no idea. That is fake
Maybe
news.
this is his reposado. this
Twist of events.
You heard it here first. If it turns out that this is actually Terramana Reposado, but charcoal filtered in this bottle, you heard it here first.
You heard it here first. It's pretty genius. I love it.
They got us.
Partnership.
We bought this Reposado 2 times. We're gonna smell it and we're gonna taste it.
I smell agave.
I do smell agave.
It smells perfumey to me as well. We are gonna taste it now.
Cheers.
That's smooth.
You don't need a chaser.
At all. Not even like an orange or anything.
It's a little peppery to me.
On here it says vanilla notes, agave.
Dark berries and a
berries.
light spice.
Oh, I like spice.
I did get the spice. Do I get vanilla?
I get a little bit of vanilla. And
You
I
get berries?
I don't get berries, but I get the agave.
You can drink it fast.
And a light spice for sure.
It goes down easy. I think a Cristalino is good for somebody who doesn't like too much tequila flavor.
It's not like oaky and like you don't taste like the barrel.
It still tastes like tequila, but it's a lot more light.
Softer. It's softer.
Right, it's a softer tequila taste.
It goes down silky smooth. I could shoot this, I could drink this on the rocks, I could drink this neat. I'm like really impressed.
Pleasantly surprised. I was like, I
We
don't
were
want to
scared.
shit on Kevin Hart today, but you know what? He came through. I think it also helps a lot that he put somebody in charge who has, what is it, 11 generations in tequila. Shout out to Juan Domingo Beckman, because I think that you are truly the reason behind this tequila. Love you, Kevin Hart, but
He knows what he's doing.
it's a good tequila. It's a thirsty approved for us.
Yo,
Yeah.
cheers.